Oil waterfall! Hey, transmission leaking. And you already know. We start by releasing the bolts that keep the engine and transmission B together. Now gently lower the transmission and slow and steady. Converter out. And there it is. The guilty seal. Fresh new seal in hand. Clean, tight, and ready for work. But first we make everything spotless, because no one likes dirty surfaces. Now a few gentle taps with the hammer of precision. Not force, just skill. Converter back in, bolts up. Transmission lifted. Everything back together, stronger than ever. No leaks, no stress, just a clean job done right. And hey, while I fix the leaks, you fix that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.